Push-ups. Fitness Zen push-ups differ from traditional push-ups in their intensity, as they do not focus on external goals. Fitness Zen workouts have a deep lasting effect. Doing push-ups on your knees allow everyone, regardless of age, to work the muscle of the arms, chest, and shoulders. Slow, full range, and long repetition sculpt functional muscle mass and help you achieve unexpected goals. Maintain smooth, steady breathing at all times. For more information, Book 1, Psycho Fitness Holistic, and Book 2, Zen Sport. Alain, Tello, Robledo, AtelTrainer.